All right, friends, how are you today? It's Aaron here, and Aya, look at her, being all cute back there. All right, bringing you your astrology for the 10th of May, 2019. It's a Friday. We're getting into the weekend. We got a lot of fire going on this weekend. I want to show you exactly. This is really cool. It's going to be a good weekend. I'm starting to tell you right now, all right? Because the moon's going to be in Leo, all right, the entire weekend. Starting off at what, just before noon tomorrow. I'm just going to show you. Here's a glimpse of where we're at. This is on Saturday, and this is on Sunday. So right about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it'll move into Virgo. But either way, for the most of the weekend, we've got this moon in Leo. The moon, Leo's the ego, but the ego wants to go play, wants to go have fun. So this is telling us, like, get out of our heads, in a sense. Get out of, like, this I need to do these things, and I need to create this change in my life, and I need to do this. This is like, yeah, that's gonna come. You just need to go be you. You need to go live. Go love on these things in life. So let me show you some other cool aspects that are happening here, just besides the moon being in Leo, which is a really fun, it's a fun, fiery, it's excitement, and it's holding the fire. So in Aries, where Venus is at, where Chiron is at, Chiron's at, 4 degrees in Aries, okay? This is self, this is the initiation, this is the spark, okay? So this is a spark of self. This is like my physical body, And then when we get into the, fifth house Leo, this is like creative self-expression. This is who I am, the personality side of me, the me that you see, here, not just the physical being, but the energy that I'm bringing to this being and this being. So if Aries is the spark, okay, which will go out, eventually the match just burns right out, right? So Leo sustains that fire energy. So this is like our own internal fire just getting a nice big boost. And what's happening is it's going to create a trine over to Chiron in Aries, which is like healing the self. So let me show you here. There's a couple of aspects going on. So right here, the moon, 4 degrees, and now, Chiron over here in Aries at 4 degrees. This blue line, I think it's blue, over here, okay, to the moon. So midday on Friday, we're going to have this nice, like when most people are getting out of work, there's this nice boost of energy. Okay. And this is healing. This is healing self. Whatever's going on, whatever's coming to this Friday, this playful energy is going to be part of this like ego self healing, this deeper identity, self-identity kind of stuff. And then we've got Venus here, creating this trine over to Jupiter, which is the philosopher. And the more information we understand, the more information we know, and we're seeking out, which is what Mars and Gemini is telling us to do. The more information we're seeking out, the more that we're aiding in our own, self-love, and we're being able to give to ourselves for our own expansion. Okay, Jupiter's about expansion, and so is Neptune. And as you see, we're still creating here on Friday the sextile between all of this goodness happening in Capricorn, all of this, more discipline coming into ourselves, and with a bit of structuring our dreams, being able to bring our dreams into reality. Okay, that's the best way to look at this. Being able to take dreams and intangible thoughts, concepts, and ideas, and we're bringing them here into reality, and we're letting go of the old ideas that they can't be here. The South knows, like letting go of these old concepts that says this isn't going to work, because it is going to work. And with the sun creating this sextile as well in Taurus, this is like, again, that sustainable energy here in Leo. Taurus is a sustainable energy in Capricorn. Okay, so what we're creating over here, and the big ideas, these big concepts that are coming to us, and we're able to implement them and practice them here with this Mars and Gemini, okay, we're being able to create and sustain here in Taurus. And with Uranus and Taurus is the breakthrough. So it's like breakthrough and sustain. All right, breakthrough and sustain. And don't forget to go have fun. That's like the biggest thing of today. It's like the having fun part, like the getting out, getting, beyond this self, and just go, dancing, being a weirdo, getting out there. Once like that's happens, it's like this, this like awakening, this enlightenment, this the ego death kind of happens, which is kind of funny with the moon being in Leo. So this is like a really powerful, really, really, really powerful weekend. Okay, so get out there, go play, have fun, let it come to you. Big picture stuff. It's all about expansion. Have a happy Friday. We'll see you tomorrow.